Hi, I'm Cheryl Ann Wadlington, the Style Director at EveloraConsultants.com. We're here at Charlie's Jeans in Philadelphia. Today I'm going to talk to you about what to match with light blue jeans. When you're talking about what works well with the light blue jean, the sky's the limit. Light blue jeans are something that will transition from spring to fall, but today I'm going to show you how you can pair some cute tops with light blue jeans. For example, I got these pair of jeans from SebastianMcCallJeans.com. You can wear them with a pop of color. One of the great things that you can do this spring is by adding a pop of color like this beautiful pink. And if pink is not your forte, you can go for a beautiful crisp white, like this beautiful baby doll dress. You know, sometimes you might want to look just a little romantic, and nothing adds romance better than like an embroidery style lace top. How about going a relaxed casual with a little twist of bohemian chic with a beautiful yellow top like this? It's a little see-through, so you're going to have to make sure you wear a t-shirt underneath. Another great thing that you can do is you can add a pop of color and do it with footwear. Like with this great shoe from BusStopBoutique.com. You can take this shoe and pair it with that light blue jean, with that poppy pink top, and it'll be a fashion winner. So these were just some of the things that you can do and pair with light blue jeans. I'm Cheryl Ann Wadlington from EveloraConsultants.com, and those were some ideas on what to wear with light blue jeans.